Warped Tour. How's it going
Yes.
so far?
It's good.
Yeah?
It's good. 5 weeks in, I think it is,
That's
and we
crazy,
still have
isn't
like
it?
2 more weeks. So
That's so crazy.
I still have my sanity right now. I think I lost it maybe a couple days ago, but I got it back. And
Oh, okay. As long as you found it. we're
yeah,
good.
you kind of need it on a tour like this, I think. So
Do you have any kind of crazy stories that have happened this year?
this year or on this tour?
If you want
Or-
to do this tour in general, that's cool too.
You know what? Oh my gosh, when it's questions like that on the top of my head, I don't know. I don't want to let you guys down, but watching our singer with his back, he gives it all every day, and so like he's kind of been lying on the bus out of action right now, and just that's crazy in itself that he gets up every day and gives it his all like that, and probably have to go on stage and jump around like a crazy guy today as well. But I don't know. I was put on the spot there with the craziness.
I'm so sorry.
I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm not crazy. I lost my sanity a couple days
Yeah,
ago,
but you
but it's
found it,
back.
so
So
you're
I'm
not
not that.
crazy.
Yeah. So there's not really any crazy.
That's
I
okay
guess.
then. That's fine.
Sorry.
When you go out and you get to see some of the bands that are playing on the tour, what kind of audience member are you?
I'll go out in the crowd a little bit, even though that's kind of like, that gets my heart going. Weber, legend! That's Weber, tour manager from Parkway Drive. That's actually another good, one of the heavier bands that I like on this tour.
Nice.
And, sorry, what was your question again?
I
Oh,
don't
what kind of an audience member am I? To tell you the truth, yeah, when I have to like walk through the crowd, when it's, thousands of, like 14-year-old kids like running aimlessly and they're just running into you all the time, and that like, just being in really crowded situations, my heart will start pumping a little and like anxiety kind of kicks in. So I'm like, I try and stay, if I'm going to watch a band, I'll try and get a lucky spot at the side of the stage, like the cool guy spot they call it or whatever, if you have a pass. But, I'm just the guy, I watch, I'll bop my head.
Okay.
Then my legs start to hurt from standing for so long, so then I have to go and sit
life.
down.
Yeah, it's a rough life.
It is very rough.
So tour bus life. Good? Bad?
Well, actually, today our generator blew because for some reason, our bus is probably the coldest bus on this tour. Like it's like our thermostat was set at 60 degrees always, which is, I don't think that's safe for human conditions, possibly. So
Probably not.
it's not. But I don't know. A couple of the guys just like it cold, but it gets really cold. So you'll be outside, it's boiling hot, and then you go inside and you got to put a hoodie on. But yeah, apparently the generator blew today, and like a huge flame. Like David, our bass player, is like, yeah, I almost died because he was walking by the side. Oh, there's my Warped Tour story. Our bass player almost
you
died.
didn't have a Warped Tour
Yeah,
story.
see, I'm not. So yeah, our bass player almost died today because the generator blew up as he was walking by, and he said like a huge flamethrower kind of thing came out of the side of the bus, and so now our bus is really hot.
Is
But-
it the hottest bus now?
Now
is
it's the
question.
hottest bus.
Oh, so you went from
Yes.
one extreme to the other.
Yes.
You'll get over it though.
Yeah. So we're waiting
Struggle.
for, I guess, our bus guy to fix it, come back with a new piece of machinery to fix it.
I'll keep my fingers crossed. Get some air
Yes.
conditioning soon.
Yes, I hope so.
So what's the plan after Warped Tour?
We're actually taking a break for 3 months, I think it is, which is the longest break we've had in years. So yeah, and so that'll be nice. We actually all live in different places. The band's based out of LA, and only 3 of the members live there. I live in Toronto, Canada, and our bass player lives in Virginia. And so we're all going to go home, relax, and
Good.
I think we're chilling for like 3 months, and then we go to Europe for a month in November. That should be a really good tour. It's with Stick to Your Guns and Comeback Kid, which are like both good friends of ours.
good.
It's always good to tour with those guys. And other than that, and then try and record a new album in December and January, around then, and hopefully have it out by spring of 2015.
Perfect. Well, enjoy the break.
I will.
Sleep a lot.
Oh, I'll sleep a lot. A lot.
A lot, I
Nice
hope.
long slumber,
There
and
you
then
go.
just eat a lot of food.
Yeah, that's the best way to
all
do
I
it.
do when I'm
Yeah.
home.
So
The
day off.
necessities to live, sleeping and eating. So,
So day off, Walmart run. What do you grab?
ooh, we just did it the other night, and like I have it mentally prepared because that's a whole other fiasco in itself, because you had 15 people on a bus running to get all the stuff they need, and then the war begins when you get back on the bus trying to get space in the fridges that are like the size of this table, and with 15 people, and every 15 dudes are getting a jug of milk them each and everything, and so that's another panic attack in itself. So what do I get? I get milk, cereal, apples and pears, bananas, granola, and yogurt.
You're a healthy guy.
Not really, but I try to, that's what I try to get for now, and then I'll just eat shit the rest of the time. But
You know, it's balanced.
yeah,
You're good.
but that's what I get at Walmart. I don't go for the whatever else.
No
people
crazy
get.
things.
Well, I did want to get a bottle of vodka because I didn't know they sell booze. I don't really go to
You
Walmart
didn't
that much,
know?
and I didn't know they sold booze there. Yeah, and that's why. So I actually opted not to buy it because I was just like, okay, I want to get a bottle of vodka, something that'll last me for the next couple of days. And it was like a 21% vodka for like $5. I'm like, okay, a bottle of vodka shouldn't be $5. So I'm just like, no, I'll stay. I won't drink then. I'm gonna draw. Okay, because I want to draw somebody that at least kind of stands out look-wise as a character. Because everyone else in my band, I don't know, I think we're just like normal, average-looking guys. Like if you told somebody to draw a picture of me, they'd be like, I don't know, I'm just regular looking. This is the singer of the band Attila, Franzilla, because he definitely sticks out amongst a lot of the dudes on Warped Tour here.
He does.
And yeah, I respect that. So, because it goes perfect to pen and paper, as opposed to if somebody, like I said, were to draw somebody like me, and you'd just be like, okay, and nobody would know that was me.